Last night on a tip-off, NGP police arrested 2 men and a woman with 300 bottles of illegal cough syrup from Murdermore area in Siliguri. Police in a civil attire raided that area and arrested them. They have been produced at the Jalpaiguri court today.
এই আরেকটা কিসের আসামি আছে?